welcome back to my channel. I am Missy of Missy Glamnista, and guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Hit that little notification bell so you can be alerted every single time that I upload. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, today I'm doing a video with two different reviews. The first review, without further ado, is get into this eye look. Like, do you see this? Do you see? I'm gonna turn the light down so you guys can see it, but do you see that eye look? Oh my god. But guess the palette, girls. Jackie. Yes, girls, yes. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Jackie Aina palette. Okay, I don't want to say her name incorrect. I love Jackie Aina, okay? And if you girls have not heard about the Jackie Aina palette, you have to be hiding under a freaking rock, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it just so I can do the color swatches for you guys. Okay, I think Anastasia and Jackie are making sure that it is pressed tight. You're not getting in here, okay? So, boom, and it's open. It's open. Do you see that? Wow. Yes. Oh. Now, looking at the makeup that I have on, I literally, you know guys, if you've watched my channel, you know that I love pink. So I have pinker all around here. I have Supreme like right under there. And then also I have Soleil right there. And on the top I have Zam. And I have Trust Issues on the inner corner. And if you watch Jackie Aina's channel, you know that she lives for an inner corner. So I had to make sure that I put an inner corner on this look, because we are, after all, using the Jackie Aina palette. So, okay guys, now let's jump into the actual BoxyCharm review. And let's get into like what came in this month's BoxyCharm box. So, obviously you guys know BoxyCharm is a subscription. You can get anything ranging from skincare to makeup, brushes, all those type of things. And it is monthly. It comes every single month. It is I think it's $21 is what the one that I get. They have a more VIP one. I'm not sure what that one costs. I will put the prices and the links down in the description box below so that you guys can go subscribe and actually do the boxes. I actually do it myself. I am not subscribed. They don't do this for me, and I have to pay with this with my own money. But again, this is how the box comes. It just says BoxyCharm on the end, and it says, when you first open it, hello Charma. Like, I thought that was so freaking cute, right? And so this box, it's an all access pass box, right? I really love that. They have some brush, and what this does here is just a card and tells you like what comes in the box. The things that are in the box is the Violet Vase Essentials eyeshadow palette. The next thing is the Dr. Brandt, and it is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna use that today after I take my makeup off. The next thing that is in the box is the Moda 5-piece brush set. Nice. The next thing in the box is the MAC Frost Lip, and it is CB95. And then the next thing is Laura Geller. It is the Bake Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And that is all the products that you get. So, okay, let me now show you what they look like. These are the brushes. They come in this little pack, the Moda brushes. They are Moda Pro brushes, and what these brushes are best for, just looking at them, it looks like it's going to be good eye brushes. So to definitely define your eye and get in there and do the best like eye work you can. I believe the illuminator, and that was from Laura Geller, the Big Gelato Swirl Illuminator, is going to be, I believe it's a highlighter. And it looks like it is a really good color for me, so I really love it. It's like gold tone. I love that this is gold tone. It's gonna look good on my skin tone or any chocolate girls. And then this is the lippy that came with it. But look at that color. That's pretty. I like it. I think it's gonna look pretty. I'm gonna do a quick swatch for you guys. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Okay, look at that swatch. That's pretty. That is really pretty. Okay. And then this is the sleeping mask. Yeah, I mean, just some face care. This is the palette. Wow, that's a pretty palette too. Do you see that? That is gorgeous. So, okay. Alright guys, so we have the palette, we have the illuminator highlighter, we have the brushes, we have that pretty lip color, and we have what? We have the face, we have the night face mask that you can use after like you take all your makeup off. So BoxyCharm definitely covers you from beginning to end, and I think that if you are a makeup beginner, this is going to be the perfect thing for you to start with. And the reason why I say that, I'm not saying that to make you guys go spend money, but here's the thing. I got all this stuff for $20. If you are a makeup wearer, by itself, you know that this one MAC lipstick costs $20, okay? And not only did I get this $20 regular price MAC lipstick, I got eyeshadow, a mask, and brushes, and a highlighter, all for $20. So I think this is definitely a steal. And even if you don't get all of this each time, you do get like even the last time I got a palette, and the time before that I got a palette too. So even palettes, like the Jackie Aina palette is $40, which, girl, I love Jackie Aina, and I love that that price point is so affordable. She made it affordable for even people that don't wear a lot of makeup and they're just like, I want to get it just to support Jackie. And I think I don't want to pay a lot of money, but I want to have something that's good for like when I go out, you know, here or there, whatever. And it's very reasonably, it's almost too reasonably priced. I really appreciate that though, because everyone doesn't do that and think about like the price and how much people had to come out of their pockets to support, you know, an artist. Or even Rihanna, her palettes are way more expensive. I do love that palette. I love the palette that came with the BoxyCharm. Yes guys, but that is it for this review. I hope you guys loved this review as much as I did. Love the Jackie Aina palette, love the BoxyCharm, which you guys will have all of the information in the description box. But yes, I think that is all guys for today. I will be doing a giveaway, so the giveaway instructions will be in the description box. If you have any questions, go ahead and sound off in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye.